Hello everyone, this is the English grammar quiz test which will have 20 questions related to B1 level. So attend all these questions and let's see who will answer all these questions correctly in the end. So the question number 1 is choose the sentence with the right word order. Options are Tom a lot of people invited, a lot of people Tom invited a lot of people, or Tom invited of people a lot. And the right answer is Tom invited a lot of people. Now let's move to the question number 2. Have you got dash pen? Options are A, N or D. And the right answer is A. Have you got a pen? Now let's move to the question number 3. Tom dash a newspaper now. Options are reads, is reading, read or has read. And the correct answer is reading. Tom is reading a newspaper. Now let's move to the question number 4. The Romans dashed to Britain in 54 BC. Options are came, were coming, come or had come. And the right answer is came. The Romans came to Britain in 54 BC. Now let's move to the question number 5. Bill dash his parents tomorrow. He has got an appointment with them. Options are is visiting, will have visited, will visit or visits. And the right answer is visiting. Bill is visiting his parents tomorrow. Now let's move to the question number 6. Tom, look the mail. Options are is delivered, delivers, delivered or is delivery. And the correct answer is delivered. Tom, look the mail is delivered. Now let's move to the question number 7. My brother is only 6 but he dash already play the piano. Options are has to, must, may, can. And the right answer is can. My brother is only 6 but he can already play the piano. Now let's move to the question number 8. At first you have to dash the application form. Options are try on, fill in, come on, take off. And the correct answer is fill in. At first you have to fill in the application form. Now let's move to the question number 9. Choose two forms of the verb to be according to the order past simple, past participle. Options are was were been, was, been, been was. And the correct answer is was were been. Now let's move to the question number 10. Your brother is so rude, I don't like dash. Options are him, he, his, himself. And the correct answer is him. Your brother is so rude, I don't like him. Now let's move to the question number 11. You should be very careful. Snowboarding is a dash hobby. Options are dangerous, boring, awful, scary. And the correct answer is dangerous. You should be very careful. Snowboarding is a dangerous hobby. Now let's move to the question number 12. The train was moving dash. Options are slow, slowful, slowly, slowy. And the correct answer is slowly. The train was moving slowly. Now let's move to the question number 13. Mike is a person dash always does his best. Options are which, who, whose, whom. And the correct answer is who. Mike is a person who always does his best. Now move to the question number 14. Bob has some trouble dash his car. Options are with, at, of, to. And the correct answer is with. Bob has some trouble with his car. Now let's move to the question number 15. I will wait for you dash the car. It's raining heavily. Options are onto, at, into, in. And the correct answer is in. I will wait for you in the car. Now let's move to the question number 16. Messi is very proud dash her little daughter. Options are with, for, of, about. And the correct answer is of. Messi is very proud of her little daughter. Now let's move to the question number 17. I see two dash on the table. Options are boxes, boxes, boxies, box. And the correct answer is boxes. I see two boxes on the table. Now let's move to the question number 18. There is dash coffee on the shelf. Options are many, a few, any, some. And the correct answer is some. There is some coffee on the shelf. Now let's move to the question number 19. If you dash hard, you dash the exam. Options are will study pass, study will pass, will study will pass, या study pass. And the answer is study will pass. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. Now let's move to the question number 20. Tom said I work every day. So which statement is correct? Tom said he was working every day. Tom said he had worked every day. Tom said he worked every day. Tom said he would work every day. And the correct answer is Tom said he worked every day. So guys, comment in the box how many questions you have answered correctly. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.